Part 42 of chapter 3. The Parwana much wished Jalal to give him private instructions at his palace, and requested Jalal's son, Sultan Velid, to intercede for him in the matter, which he did. Jalal replied to his son, Bahauddin, he cannot bear that burden. This was thrice repeated. Jalal then remarked to his son, Bahauddin, a bucket, the water of which is enough for 40, cannot be drained by one. Baha made the reflection, had I not pressed the matter, I'd never heard this wonderful saying. And so there's a difference. There's a difference in what we do. Is it incessant questioning, or is it to further where we are? You don't question to like try to alter the command. It's like, well, give me permission to do this or not, and I'm going to withhold rather than to go on the knowledge that I have. Now, you definitely want to look at the context, right? Seize them, and well, look at before or behind, and what regards to the tyrants and the aggressors and oppressors of that verse. You can't take some random phrase and do something, but then again, that's a situation that you question. I was like, well, what's this verse? Oh, tell me about the verses around it. Tell me about the situation in the 620s, or was it already 630, 31 or something? I forget which year. You know what the common era.